Welcome everybody. If you have this Maytag dishwasher and when you take the dishes out sometime it has an odor to it, so we do need to do a cleaning for this dishwasher, and it does require opening some of the components to get it going. So right here we're gonna need a tool. You can see the screw itself has this pin in the middle that prevents from standard star sockets to go in. So we need this one. This is a star socket with the hole in the middle, right? And we will need this as a T15. It's called a VT15. So we're going to need that to take the screws out. We have a total of, I think, 6 screws in here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Once you remove the screws out of there, you're going to spin this counterclockwise. Oh. And comes out. I can see there's a black stuff under there. That needs to be cleaned. Right. Strainer out. Second strainer out. You can see there's a black stuff down there. So be cleaned. Once you remove those screws, this stuff comes out. You might want to clean inside and inside here. To remove this unit, there are metal clips here, here, and then 2 on top here. You're gonna squeeze and pull right here, clamp them out. Inspect the back of yours, and let's see what's inside of it. Looks good. Inside the pump, I need to clean here. That does not look too bad, and this area here needs to be cleaned. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll take soap and a brush and I'll clean it up. Once I have everything brushed and cleaned, I'm just going to take the hose from my sink. That's another benefit of having sink right next to your dishwasher, so you can clean it up, clean off it. I already rinsed everything with a brush. Perfect. After this, you got left with this water. All do is close the dishwasher, turn and turn it on. What I will do is start the pump, remove all the water from it, and as soon as you hear pump stop, perfect, cancel it, open it, and the water is drained. Now we just got a bunch of foam behind. I'm going to clean that up with paper towel and install my stuff back in. After everything is dried and clean, we're going to put this one back in. This guy, we're just going to line it up and snap it in place. Perfect. Line this up and snap it. So that's snapped in place. This one is left. We'll get it next to the parts. I'm just going to put this one in place. I'm not going to put any screws right now. This one here, we're just going to slide into the hose first and let it sit on its axis, like so. We're going to put this one first and then slide this in place. Like that. Once that is done, I will go ahead and put in the screws. So all the screws are basically exact same thing, one height and one type of thread. So you just put them in. This is important to clean your dishwasher, honestly. Some of them do require once every 4 or 5 months. One, or whenever you feel like it. Perfect. Sometimes you get the dishes out and they have odor. That's because the black stuff that you saw, sometimes it gets very, very heavy and starts to leave the odor behind when water gets hot. When your heater comes to dry the dishes, that is when the heat and the odor work together to make a mess of things. Now let's put the water jet back on here. So I just push it in. Perfect. In place. That's all you need to do. You can put in your dish racks. The top dish rack, to remove that, you do have these at the ends, and they basically have tap here and tap here, and you're gonna push them on to lock it and take them out. See, this one is dirty, you gotta clean this too. So that is how you clean the Maytag dishwasher. Thank you for watching. Take care.